Please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Hi everyone, this post will be the final of 5 posts. I am going to make her floral pillbox hat and a choker necklace. See the related articles or playlist to find our other related posts and videos. Please feel free to follow the design or do your own, or use any material which you already have to handcraft on it. Here are the tools and materials that I will use in this tutorial. For more details, please get the link below and visit 3howto.com. Take your paper towel to draw an outline of the top of her head on a piece of paper. Also, draw 2 rectangular strips on both sides for being attached to her. After that, draw an arc at the end of this. It will be an 1/3 circle which you drew on the top of her head. After that, trim the patch out from the paper. Then get your paper towel and try it on her. Check the patch has covered her head well and matches your design. If it's your first time to stitch a rose-shaped flower, please go to the post of the How to Make a Rose-Shaped Lace Flower to see a basket tutorial first. Then come back here and continue making this mini flower. If you don't mind seeing a quick lesson, I'm going to show you here. Fold the end of lace toward to straight side as a triangle, and roll a little bit to be the center of the flower. Then stitch the straight side to stabilize it. After that, roll a loop along the straight side and stitch it again. Continue to process it till the flower bud is as big as you want. At the same time, grab the rolled lace together and separate the petals. Finally, stitch the very end of the lace to the edge of the flower. Alright, take some edge lace, measure and trim the right length from the arc edge of the patch hat. After that, lay the floral edge lace, turn to her face side, and glue it on the patch. Also, glue some ivory sequins on the middle of the patch. Hold a square piece of mesh lace about in the middle, and fold 2 sides together to make one corner fold onto itself. After that, stitch the fold point center with the floral bud together. If your center part of the floral bud is protruding as my one, stitch through from back to front at the center of the bud. Try to pull it into the center and fix the rosebud shape. After that, feel free to use any way to stitch or to glue with the mesh lace at the center of the patch together. Once it's done, take your paper towel and try it on her. Check the hat looks good with her head and matches your design. Before you are about designing a necklace to your paper doll, here is a guideline for you. The different types of necklace by length are showing you some idea for your design. Please feel free to design any type of necklace with the right length to match your design. Take your paper doll to draw her neck width on a piece of paper. At the same time, draw 2 rectangular strips on both sides for being attached to her. Also, draw a narrow ring to be bent on her center line in perspective. After that, trim the necklace patch out from the paper and erase the drawing lines which are between her neck width. Then get the same length of the edge lace and cut the floor edge side off. After that, glue the straight side of the lace on the patch. Once it's done, take your paper towel to try it on. You are able to get the link below to see how to make a simple flower with bead and sequins, how to prepare a couple of petals, as I am able to use it in this step. Make a knot at the end of your thread first. Also, stitch 2 petals from its center. After that, separate the petals between them and stitch a bead at the center of the flower. Then feel free to use any way to stitch or to glue the simple flower with the patch together. Once it's done, try the necklace on her and check it looks good as your design. Take a little bit of edge lace with an arc shape to match the strap around her ankle in the side view shoe. Also, trim off the straight part from the lace. About her front shoe, I'm going to process it in the same way too. After that, glue both pieces of the lace on her shoes. Let's decorate some gems on her shoes. Take white gems to put some glue and stick on the center top of her shoes. About the side view of her shoe, glue one transparent gem next to the white one. For the front shoe, take 2 gems to place at both sides of the white one. Also, adjust a little bit of a curve around her shoe edge. Here we go. She has her graceful floral pillbox hat and a choker necklace. I'm here to offer you some ideas to design your paper doll party hat and necklace. Please feel free to use your creativity to make her fashion dress and accessories look brilliant. Here I'm showing you what I have done. You can get the link below to send me your artwork. I'm keen to see your great drawings and paintings. Also, if you give me your permission, I hope I'm able to share your artwork with other people on freehowto.com. Let's learn drawing from each other. Thank you so much for checking out this course. I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. I will share more interesting DIY courses with you. Please subscribe if you like this content. See you soon next time.